All right, now we're doing 7Q check for prime numbers. This is by C.M. Gerber, and 92% of people like it. In this kata, we're going to be creating a function to check a non-negative input to see if it is a prime number. The function will take in a number and will return true if it is a prime number and false if not. A prime number is a natural number greater than 1 that has no positive divisors other than 1 and itself. All right, and here we go. This is definitely not 1. This isn't 1, this isn't 1, and these are definitely prime numbers. Alright, so with this one, all we're going to need to know that's extra is this Math.sqrt, which returns the square root of a number. Alright, so right here, we're going to start with a for loop, right? And we're going to say for, and we're going to say let index equal to, because it's greater than 1, all right? So we're going to start at 2. And then we're going to say while index is less than or equal to math.sqrt in, we're going to say index plus plus. Now you might be asking yourself, why not just do in? Well, you know what? Because that will double the amount of numbers we have to check. Okay, like let's say we're checking 100, right? And we do the square root of that, and the square root is 10. Okay, so we only have to check 1 through 10. We don't have to check, not even half. That'd be like literally 10 times as many numbers as we got to check. All we have to do is check from 1 to 10, because 10 times 10 is 100, and we don't have to go back up to 50 because we already know that 2 times 50 is 100, right? I hope that makes sense to you. Okay, so now that we've got that taken care of, we're going to say if in remainder operator index equals 0, we're going to return false. All right, and down here we're just going to say return in is above 1. That way, like if it is 1, if it goes through and it is 1, it will still return false because it's 1, because 1 is not greater than 1. All right. Now let's see if this works. Nope. What's the problem? Up. How about a little bit of that? You know, how about a semicolon? Let's try it out. All right, good. See 2 milliseconds here. Let's attempt it. 5 milliseconds here. Great. Usually, you know, I like to go back and do the one-liner, but trust me, doing any one-liner on this is going to make this number like 62 milliseconds, and 10 times as much is way too high for me. So here we go. There's the answer. Submit it. Very much like this. Let's go to My Solutions. Just me. Best practice in my opinion. And we'll see you next time.